Dear student, today we are going to start our new trick about solubility of salt. This video is important, but you are direct watching this video, then you have to first watch my first two lectures about hydration enthalpy and lattice enthalpy. Then come to this video. So it will be beneficial for you. Solubility of salt into. You can subscribe my channel so you get all the videos of mine. Now here I am going to give you a trick most timely. Many questions asked in exam about solubility of the salt. So we know solubility of salt into water depends upon two factors: lattice enthalpy and hydration enthalpy. Yes, solubility of salt depends upon two factors. Which one? First one is the lattice enthalpy and second one is the hydration enthalpy. So, what is lattice enthalpy and hydration enthalpy? We discussed in our last two lectures. So, whenever total of lattice energy plus hydration energy, lattice energy is higher than hydration energy. Lattice energy is more, hydration energy is less. So, salt insoluble. તો salt છે વોટરમાં dissolve નહીં થાય, insoluble રહેશે. Whenever lattice energy is lower than hydration energy, so salt is soluble. તો salt છે એ વોટરમાં soluble થશે. Understood? This is not trick. This is given in your book. But with help of these two factors, we can't say which one is more soluble. I am going to give you trick. Yes, now trick is start. In group number 1, elements are lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium and cesium. In the group number 1, elements are lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium and cesium. Clear? Which is the 1A of the periodic table. Now in group number 2, elements are beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium. Radium is radioactive. Here francium is radioactive. So it is not taken here in the group part. This one is the second A, otherwise second group. From top to bottom, atomic radius increases and also ionic radius also increases. So with increasing in ionic radius, hydration energy decreases. Here ions 2 plus, yes, element of group number 2 possesses plus 2 charge: beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium and barium having plus 2 charge. It is clear? Now in group number 17, so 7A is the fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. It gains 1 electron and became fluoride, chloride, bromide, iodide. Elements of group number 17 are fluoride, chloride, bromide, iodide. Here our trick is start. fluoride and hydroxide having less radius. Store in your mind. So for trick, we will call LR, SR, small radius. Yes. These two we call small radius SR species. Now chloride, bromide, iodide, nitrate, sulfate, perchlorate, bicarbonate, carbonate are LR, means large radius having species, negative ions. Understood? From top to bottom, in any group, ionic radius increases. Understood? So now, listen. What happens actually? Listen first. Whenever in ionic compound size difference of the positive ion, negative ion is same, so lattice energy should be high. Whenever size difference, positive ion and negative ion radius, whenever near about to same, always negative ion big in size and negative ion small in size. Negative ion છે નાનું હોય, મોટું હોય, અને પોઝિટિવ સ્મોલ હોય. એ બેને સાઇઝના ડિફરન્સ ના હોય, લગભગ ઇક્વલ હોય. So lattice energy should be high. So lattice energy high હોય છે. So any solubility less હોય. Whenever lattice energy high, solubility less. Now, whenever difference in size of radius are huge, then lattice energy less. So solubility should be more. This is the trick and point, main point. Store in your mind. In the ionic compound, whenever positive ion and negative ion both are same in the size, so lattice energy is high and solubility will be less. Whenever size of the positive radical and negative radical are having more difference between the radius of positive and negative, so solubility, lattice energy less, and in this case solubility should be more. Now we know hydration enthalpy depends upon size of the cation, not on the size of the anion. One by one, hydration enthalpy is depending upon size of cation or charge density, not on H means hydration enthalpy is depending upon size of cation or charge density. So in the case of lithium, size is very small. In sodium, it is increases from top to bottom, size increases. And whenever size is less, so hydration enthalpy more. Hydration enthalpy more ક્યારે હોય? Size less હોય. અને જો charge upon radius લ્યો. Charge upon radius. Charge is +1, radius of lithium. So which is the charge density. Charge density is high in case of sodium, +1 upon radius of the sodium, which is less. So So charge density decreases, so attraction toward water decreases. So lithium has great attraction. So hydration enthalpy depends upon size of the cation, not on the size of the anion. Why? Only positive radical, positive ion having great attraction toward the lone pair electrons of the oxygen. So energy releases. That is hydration enthalpy. Now lattice enthalpy is depending upon where our lattice enthalpy is depending upon size of both cation and anion radius. Yes, I told you, whenever radius of anion and cation both are equal, so lattice energy high, so solubility less. Whenever radius of the cation and negative ion is vast different in the radius, so lattice energy in this case is very low and solubility is higher. Now we are going to solve some questions one by one. Once again, which are small ion and which are big? Once again, fluoride hydroxide comes in our list as a small radius having species, SR. Large radius having species are carbonate, bicarbonate, sulfate, nitrate, chloride, bromide, iodide, perchlorate, which are comes in our group of LR. LR means large radius having species. SR means small radius having species. SR means a small radius having species. Understood? જો તમને મજા આવે તો લાઈક કરજો, સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરજો, શેર કરજો અને આજે ટ્રીક આપી દઉં પછી you have to solve from the different kind of reference book, and this type of question you have to solve and you have to report to me in WhatsApp. Fluoride, got it? Understood? Okay. Once again, fluoride hydroxide is the small species. Negative ion, small. Carbonate, bicarbonate, sulfate, nitrate, chloride, bromide, iodide and perchlorate are huge, big, LR, large radius having species. In group number 1 elements, lithium makes a fluoride. Lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium and cesium. Exam में पूछा है, in the exam question asked like this: which one has a maximum solubility? Which one has a minimum solubility? Like this, nothing else. So here fluoride and lithium is given. So store in your mind, our fluoride is a SR, means small radius having species. Understood? Well, lithium, yes, which is also small, SR. Our group starts with lithium. Lithium to cesium, size increases. So in the group, lithium comes as a SR, small radius having species. એટલે ગ્રુપ નંબર 1 માં lithium તો small છે, એટલે આપણે એને small species એટલે કે શું કહેશું? SR કહેશું. બે small radius વાળા કનેક્ટ થાય એટલે સાઇઝ ડિફરન્સ ન હોય, લેટાઇસ એનર્જી હાઈ હોય એટલે solubility less હોય. Lithium fluoride is less soluble in the water. Now, Here fluoride is a small. It is clear. But lithium to sodium, sodium to potassium, potassium to rubidium, rubidium to cesium, size increases. So our cesium is a LR, large radius having species, LR and SR. So here vast difference in the size between positive ion and negative ion. So lattice energy here low. So solubility is a high. So cesium fluoride is highly soluble in water. So lithium to sodium, lithium fluoride to sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. Understood? Fluoride છે small radius માં આવે એટલે smaller રહેશે. lithium થી cesium જાવ size increase થાય છે એટલે ઈ બેયના radius નો difference increase થાય lattice energy decrease થાય. ઈ તો ટ્રીક છે એટલે solubility high થઈ જાય. Now in the case of beryllium, beryllium fluoride, magnesium fluoride, calcium fluoride, strontium fluoride and barium fluoride. Think yourself. Don't think about two ions. Only one positive radical. Think about only one positive, one negative. Yes, sir. Here F minus comes in our SR, small radius. Beryllium is our SR. Both are small. Beryllium to barium size increases. The group માં small radius માં આવશે. Small small SR SR એટલે lattice energy high, solubility less. Then magnesium, calcium, strontium and barium solubility increases. Why? Fluoride is a small radius having species. Barium is now large radius having species. So vast difference in size. Lattice energy is low and solubility high. Now we are going to talk about fluoride then hydroxide. Yes, sir. We are going to about hydroxide, solubility of the hydroxide. Here hydroxide is also small species. Yes, sir. So lithium gives lithium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, rubidium hydroxide and cesium hydroxide. In the group number 1, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. Our OH is the small radius species SR, where lithium is also small. Group start lithium theta, so it is which is also small. Small. Lattice enthalpy more, solubility low. હવે size increase થાય છે. OH common છે. એટલે OH is our small radius having species. But cesium is now large radius having species. Small and large. એટલે lattice enthalpy decrease થઈ જાય. આ બેની size similar છે. એટલે lattice enthalpy more છે, solubility less છે. From lithium to sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, solubility increases. And also hydroxide of the metal is, all the hydroxide of the metals are basic by nature. So which one is more basic? Now tell me. Lattice enthalpy here less, solubility high, and solubility high means basic nature is also high of the cesium hydroxide. So out of these 5, which one is more basic? Cesium hydroxide. Now in group number 2, beryllium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, strontium hydroxide and barium hydroxide. From beryllium to magnesium, calcium, strontium and barium. When we move, solubility increases. Why? Actually beryllium OH minus is tell me which one? Sr. Beryllium also Sr. First member of group number 2. Now tell me, in lithium hydroxide and barium hydroxide, out of 2, which one is more soluble in water? Lithium hydroxide. Why? આનો ચાર્જ +1 -1 છે. So monovalent univalent એની લડાઈ એન્થાલ્પી કરતા here charge is +2 and -1. Divalent, monovalent having more attraction. So lattice enthalpy here more. So lithium hydroxide is the more basic due to low lattice enthalpy. Here આ બેની કમ્પેરિઝનમાં આ more basic છે, આ less basic હશે. Now understood? OH -1, so which is Sr. Beryllium +2, which is Lr. Lr Sr નું combination એટલે lattice enthalpy more, lattice enthalpy less, so solubility high. Now then after carbonate, bicarbonate, yes, here in this case what happens actually, hydroxide is over here. Now we are going to chloride, lithium chloride, sodium chloride, potassium chloride, rubidium chloride and cesium chloride. Chlorine comes in our trick as a Lr, large radius having species. Lithium is a Sr, small radius having species. તો આ બે વચ્ચે રેડિયસ નો ડિફરન્સ હાઈ છે એટલે લેટાઇસ એનર્જી લો છે એટલે સોલ્યુબિલિટી હાઈ થશે. સાઈન બદલી ગયું. તમારું નેગેટિવ આયન હવે સ્મોલ નથી, લાર્જ છે અને પોઝિટિવ રેડિકલ છે એ Sr છે. તો lithium to sodium, potassium, rubidium and cesium જાઓ. So what happens there? Cesium is a Lr, lithium is Lr. Lattice energy high, solubility less. So અહીંયા આમ થશે lithium chloride, sodium, potassium, rubidium and cesium, and its solubility decrease થાય છે. In the group number 2, beryllium chloride, magnesium chloride, barium, magnesium, calcium, strontium and barium chloride. In the beryllium chloride, charge of beryllium +2, of the chloride, one chloride -1 having charge. So 2 plus 1 minus, both same. Here 1 beryllium and 1 chloride. Chloride comes in our Lr. This one Sr. Sl-Lr combination means lattice energy low, solubility high. Now from beryllium to magnesium and its size increase thati jai. Chloride is common here. So difference in size decreases. So lattice energy became high, solubility decreases of the chloride. Now bromide. What about bromide? Yes, same. Lithium bromide, sodium bromide, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium and cesium. Here some compounds are highly stable and some of them are less stable. But we are comparing. Not I am giving it value of the solubility. બસ આપણે ખાલી કમ્પેરિઝન કરીએ છીએ. We are only comparing. ને એક્ઝામમાં જ પૂછાય, વેલ્યુ નહીં પૂછાય. How much solubility out of this? No. Which one having more solubility? Which one having lower solubility? Yes. In Br minus, which is Lr, but lithium is a Sr. A difference huge છે. એટલે લેટાઇસ એન્થાલ્પી લો છે. એટલે solubility high થશે. એનાથી લેસ lithium bromide, potassium, rubidium and cesium. Why? Here both are Lr. એટલે small to large થાય ને, એટલે બેની bromine તો common છે, આની સાઇઝ ઇન્ક્રીઝ થતી જાય, એટલે bromine સાથે આ cesium ની સાઇઝનો ડિફરન્સ ઘટતો જાય, લેટાઇસ એનર્જી હાઈ થાય તો solubility લેસ થઈ જાય. Lattice energy low હતી, solubility high. Like this, beryllium bromide, magnesium bromide, calcium bromide, strontium bromide and cesium bromide. Bromide in our list is Lr, where beryllium is Sr, +2 and -1. So here lattice enthalpy is very low, solubility is high. Magnesium bromide, calcium, strontium and barium, but both are Lr. Size difference is less. So lattice enthalpy high, solubility less of cesium bromide. In these two, yes, +1 -1 करता +2 અને -1 वाली lattice energy high. So lithium bromide करता beryllium bromide should be more stable and solubility less out of 2. Now iodide. What about iodide? Lithium iodide. Then lithium, yes, iodide, sodium iodide, potassium iodide, rubidium and cesium. Tell me, which one is more soluble? Iodine -1 +1. Iodine comes in our list of Lr. Lithium starts, so it is the Sr. Sr Lr. Have any size no difference big. So, which is the low lattice energy and solubility high. Now sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, both are Lr. So lattice energy low and solubility less. Lattice energy high, solubility less. BeI2, MgI2, CaI2, SrI2 and barium. Same. Solubility decreases. Now perchlorate. Perchlorate. Lithium. Yes, Li ClO4 minus means perchlorate. Lithium perchlorate. Sodium perchlorate, potassium perchlorate, rubidium perchlorate and cesium perchlorate. Here ClO4 minus is huge in size, which is Lr. Lithium is Sr. Size difference are big. So here you can see, so lattice energy should be low. So solubility high. from lithium to sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, which is decreases. Here both are Lr. Now I think you got it, my trick. Now beryllium perchlorate, magnesium perchlorate, calcium perchlorate, strontium perchlorate, and barium perchlorate. Here from beryllium to magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium decreases. Same reason. This one is Lr, this one is Sr. આ બેમાં પોઝિટિવ નેગેટિવ આયનના સાઇઝનો ડિફરન્સ બિગ છે. લેટાઇસ એનર્જી લેસ, સોલ્યુબિલિટી મોર. પછી અહીંયા સાઇઝ ઇન્ક્રીઝ થતી જાય એટલે આની સાથે કમ્પેરિઝનમાં આવતો જાય અને બે વચ્ચે ડિફરન્સ છે સાઇઝનો ડિક્રીઝ થતો જાય. whenever positive radical and negative radical size difference decreases, lattice energy increases and it should be more stable. Here stability is high of barium perchlorate and cesium perchlorate, but lattice energy higher of barium perchlorate than cesium perchlorate. So here solubility less. Now nitrate. What about nitrate? Nitrate, lithium nitrate, sodium nitrate, potassium, rubidium and cesium. Here nitrate is our Lr, large size species. Lithium is a small. તો આ બેનો સાઇઝનો ડિફરન્સ હ્યુજ છે એટલે લેટાઇસ એનર્જી હાઈ થાય, લેટાઇસ એનર્જી લો થાય તો સોલ્યુબિલિટી વધુ મોર હશે. બટ સોડિયમ, પોટેશિયમ, rubidium and cesium solubility decreases. Like this beryllium nitrate, beryllium, magnesium, then calcium, strontium and barium. Solubility decreases. Same reason. Now sulfate. Yes. Sulfate. Lithium sulfate, Li2SO4. Sodium sulfate, potassium sulfate, rubidium sulfate and cesium sulfate. What happens here? Sulfate having -2 charge, lithium +1. But sulfate comes in our Lr group, large radius ring. Lithium is the initial first member of the group number 1, so which is a small and difference are here. એટલે આની lattice energy low, the solubility high છે. But from sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium solubility decreases. Then beryllium sulfate, magnesium sulfate, calcium sulfate, strontium sulfate and barium sulfate. In our equilibrium chapter comes KSP. KSP for sparingly soluble salt. KSP for the sparingly soluble salt. Yes, sir. So these are sparingly soluble. આવું પૂછાય કેનો KSP high છે અને કેનો KSP less છે. So here sulfate having -2, beryllium +2. This one is the Sr, this one Lr. So size difference, large radius, small radius. Size difference is more. So lattice energy less, solubility high. But from beryllium to magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, solubility decreases due to here both are comes in our list of Lr. This one is less soluble. So KSP should be less. એટલે આ ઓછા આયન આપશે. Barium sulfate gives very less amount of ions, where strontium sulfate more than barium sulfate. Calcium sulfate is also sparingly soluble. So out of three, which one possesses more KSP? Calcium sulfate. Which one possesses less? So there should be barium sulfate. Now bicarbonate. Bicarbonate is also our huge particle LR. Lithium bicarbonate, sodium bicarbonate, potassium bicarbonate, rubidium bicarbonate, and cesium bicarbonate. Lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, all are carbonates. So here bicarbonate is our LR, lithium is SR. Huge difference in size, lattice enthalpy low, solubility high. Now listen. Lithium bicarbonate we never gets in solid form, which is indicated in your textbook of NCERT. Lithium bicarbonate ક્યારે solid નહીં મળે, only aqueous જ મળે. આ બધાનો પાવડર મળે. Why? Lattice enthalpy એટલી બધી લેસ છે કે એનો પાવડર બને જ નહીં. Never. Lithium bicarbonate never gets in the solid form. કારણ કે lattice energy very less છે, highly soluble in water છે, એનો પાવડર બને જ નહીં, પાણીમાંથી બહાર કાઢી જ ના શકાય. Highest hydration enthalpy છે, lowest lattice enthalpy છે. But lithium to sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, lattice enthalpy decreases. And now group number second, beryllium bicarbonate. એ તો ખબર પડે ને, બાયકાર્બોનેટ નો ચાર્જ -1 હોય, ગ્રુપ 2 નો એલિમેન્ટ એટલે +2. આ ચાર્જ બેલેન્સિંગ માટે we are taking 2 times beryllium, magnesium bicarbonate, calcium bicarbonate, strontium bicarbonate, and barium bicarbonate. All the bicarbonates of the group number second we can't get in the solid form. All the bicarbonate group number second having very high hydration enthalpy and very low lattice enthalpy. We get only in the calcium bicarbonate no powder na mole. It is given indicated in your book. Magnesium, beryllium, આ બધાનું મળે. પોટેશિયમ બાયકાર્બોનેટ, સોડિયમ બાયકાર્બોનેટ મળે. તમારી બુકમાં સોડિયમ બાયકાર્બોનેટ છે, એના કરતાં સોડિયમ બાયકાર્બોનેટ કરતાં આ વોટરમાં સોલ્યુબલ છે, આનાથી લેસ સોલ્યુબલ છે. So potassium bicarbonate gives precipitate, but sodium bicarbonate is not giving a PPT, precipitate. All are highly soluble, but in comparison -1 +2, LR SR, lattice energy less, solubility high of beryllium bicarbonate, but it decreases up to barium bicarbonate. Now carbonate, last, lithium carbonate, sodium carbonate, potassium, rubidium, and cesium carbonate. Yes. From lithium to sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium carbonate solubility decreases because carbonate is a LR, large radius having where Li SR, radius difference is huge, lattice energy less, solubility more. Here both are LR. So size difference less, lattice energy high, solubility less. Like this, beryllium carbonate, magnesium carbonate, calcium carbonate, strontium carbonate, and barium. These are also insoluble in water, and it gives a KSP value. So out of 4, which one having more KSP? This one. Which one having less KSP? Barium. Why? Carbonate and +2. આ બેમાં લેટાઇસ એન્થાલ્પી મોર ઓફ +2 -2 છે. આ +1 -2 છે. મોનોવેલેન્ટ ડાયવેલેન્ટ એટ્રેક્શન. Divalent attraction are. Lattice enthalpy of beryllium carbon is more than lithium carbonate. So beryllium to magnesium, calcium, strontium and barium. Size increases. So both comes in the group of LR. So from beryllium to barium, lattice enthalpy increases and solubility decreases. I hope you enjoyed your lecture. If you enjoyed, then subscribe my channel and share it. Bye. We will meet in our next lecture for new tricks. Bye.